investment 1,20,000 below? Tick. Tick. Then purchase of books. Can you see books? Tick. And closing cash and bank balance, asset and asset. Adjustments. Now balances as on 1/4/2014 is given. Building, furniture, books, investment, subscription, outstanding and permanent fund 2,64,000. Now subscription included 1,500. Subscription for the year 2015 and 16. So take subscription. Subscription outstanding. So take subscription. Salary outstanding 1,800. Take salary. Unused stationery. So take stationery and printing. Then provide 10% debt on very important closing balance. Very important closing balance of building. So we have building ticket, then furniture tick once again, and books once again. Interest outstanding on investment. Can you see interest received? Interest received 6,000 देखा आपने, वहां पे टिक करो. Got it, all of you? Let's start with the sum. Make format on 2 pages opposite to each other. Income, expenditure, and balance sheet. As you know, we have the opening balances which are given as a part of the adjustment. So let's first write the opening balances. We start with building. Inner column 90,000. Then we have furniture. Now in furniture there is also sale of furniture. So we leave the space accordingly. 12,000. 4 lines blank. Then books. Amount is 30,000. Again 4 lines blank. Investments. 1,20,000 inner column. Subscription outstanding 3,000. Now this is an interesting point. Now we are already given subscription received 21,000. So ये जो subscription opening में जो outstanding था, we are assuming that we have already received that subscription. All of you understood this? So हम हमारे closing balance sheet में उसको लिखेंगे नहीं. अगर लिखना हो तो लिख सकते हो subscription for 13-14 इतना और minus received, तो वैसे भी outer column will become 0. You understood this? Opening balance sheet में था और अभी हम क्या बना रहे हैं? कौन सा है ये? Closing balance sheet है. अगर ड्यूरिंग द ईयर मिल गया तो क्लोजिंग में आएगा नहीं. इट इज नो लॉन्गर आवर रिसीवेबल. गॉट इट? best. थोड़ा अंदर देखो। अब पता चला सबको? सो हमें इसको क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट में रिकॉर्ड करने की जरूरत नहीं है। फिर से एक बार सी ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में था which is 1/4/2014। Now 1/4/2014 को यानी साल के बिगिनिंग में बैलेंस शीट में था, but during the year we have received the money. So as on the end of the balance sheet or end of the year, nothing is receivable against this amount of rupees 3,000. तो इसका में अभी कुछ भी करना नहीं है. Permanent fund is your capital fund. So capital fund, inner column, opening balance. Amount is 2,64,000. What else will come in the opening balance sheet? No, we are missing a very important point. Go to receipt payment account. Can you see the opening cash balances? They will also come. They will also come in the opening balance sheet. Okay, but here we are making closing balance sheet. So we'll record only the closing cash and bank balance. Is this clear? Okay, in this sum, permanent fund is given. If permanent fund was not given, I have seen such sums in CBSE textbook. If permanent fund is not given, then what you have to do is you will have to make one more balance sheet. That will be the opening balance sheet. And from there, the balancing figure will be permanent capital or permanent fund or capital fund. Okay, here everything is there. And तुम ये सब का total करोगे, including cash and bank balance and subscription, it will tally. Got it? So you're not a problem. Then subscription and all we'll do later. Let's start with the sum. Subscription received 21,000. So by subscription, inner column 21,000. Now subscription में कितना प्रीवियस ईयर का है? प्रीवियस ईयर का कितना है? प्रीवियस ईयर का कितना सब्सक्रिप्शन है ये 21,000 के अंदर? 3,000 नहीं पता चला? फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट में अभी हमने कहा ना, ओपनिंग में था सब्सक्रिप्शन जो साल के पहले बिगनिंग में हमें मिलना चाहिए था. ओके, तो हम ऐसा एज्यूम करते कि ये 21,000 के अंदर वो 3,000 भी आ गया. गॉट इट? सो माइनस आउटस्टैंडिंग एट बिगनिंग 3,000. Then what other adjustment we have? Subscription included 1,500 for the year 15 and 16. So what is this? This is our advance. So minus advance received in current year. कितना advance मिला हमें? 1,500. This is received in the current year. It is not our income. It is our liability. So advance subscription. We have to give the second effect. 1,500. Subscription outstanding for the year, current year subscription outstanding. So plus outstanding at end or outstanding of current year amount is 2,100. Second effect, ये साल का outstanding है, so it is our asset. Outstanding subscription 2,100. Salary outstanding later. Now close it. How much? 18,600. Any doubt in subscription? Okay, next. interest received, by interest received 6,000, by interest received 6,000. Do we have adjustment? How much is interest to be received on our investment? 1,500. So plus outstanding interest on investment 1,500, 7,500. Outstanding interest on investment 1,500. ये मिलना चाहिए ना हमें? Donation received, where it will come? Capital fund plus donation 15,000. Sale of old furniture. Sale of old furniture 3,000 is the book value. So from furniture minus sold 3,000. Inner column 9,000. We sold for how much? We sold for 2,400. So what's the difference now? 600 ka loss expense to loss on sale of furniture 600. Rent of hall 4,500. Buy rent of hall 4,500. Sale of old newspapers 600. Buy sale of old newspaper 600. Salary. Do salary inner column 12,600. How much is outstanding? 1,800. So plus 14,400. Stationery and printing inner column 2,100. To stationery and printing 2,100. What's the adjustment? Unused stationery is how much? 300. So that is our asset. Unused है so it is not our expense, it is our asset. So minus stationery stock 300. Outer column 1,800. Second effect, balance sheet asset stationery stock. Stationery stock 300. Yes, outstanding salary left out, we include that. Outstanding salary 1,800. That's correct. Insurance and taxes 1,200 to insurance and taxes 1,200. Subscription of newspaper 1,800. to subscription of newspaper, 1800. Repair expense, 1500. To repair expense, 1500. Purchase of investment, 8400. So investment में plus purchase 8400. So 1,28,400. All of you have done so far? Okay, now purchase of books. So 15,000 plus purchase 15,000, that is depreciation. So 45,000 in your column. Closing cash balance 5,700. And bank balance. How much? 10,000? 200. Everything done in the adjustments except depreciation. So let's do it now. Here, the date on which the furniture is sold or the date on which the books are purchased are not mentioned. But it is mentioned that the rate of depreciation is on the closing balance. So directly we have to give on this 9,000 and 45,000. Let's start. Building, furniture and books 10%. So minus depreciation 10%, 9,000. Give the second effects to depreciation on building 9,000, furniture 900 and books 45. Start closing. Surplus or deficit? Deficit है यहाँ पे. Okay, great. So by excess of expense over income, known as deficit. Amount is 4,500. 35,700. Transfer it over your deduction. So let's do the total first. 2,79,000 minus deficit 4,500. So 2,74,500. Tally. 2,77,800. Perfect. 2,77,800.